Diksha content creation quiz answers. Diksha portal URL diksha.gov.in.ap diksha.gov.in RAP diksha.ap.gov.in diksha.gov.ap.in. The right answer is diksha.gov.in RAP. This is the right answer. Which login ID and password is needed to log in Vidyadan? Email, Diksha ID should be registered in Diksha Vidyadan. We can log in either with Diksha ID or directly registered in Vidyadan. This is the correct answer. How can we explore your content using Diksha? Using different states textbooks and courses, all options, using e-textbooks, using QR codes. The correct answer, all options. Is login ID is needed to get the specific content from other state textbooks using Diksha? Yes, no need. The correct answer, no need. Diksha e-content can be shared with Do ID, Diksha ID, Profile ID, Download ID. The correct answer is Do ID. QR code means quickly related code, quick response code, quickly response code, quick related code, quick response code. This is the right answer. Diksha can be accessed through Iris tab, laptop, smartphone, all options. The correct answer is all options. How can get certificate after completion of course in Diksha platform? All content completed but not attempted quiz. Skipped all content without reading. Those who completed course but progress in is 95%. Those who completed course and progress is 100%. Those who completed course and progress is 100%. This is the correct answer. How can we share a Diksha content to others? Click on the copy as course link and share. Click on the copy icon, copy link and share. Click on the share icon, copy link and share. Click on the print icon, copy link and share. The correct answer is click on the share icon, copy link and share. This is the correct answer. Click on the share icon, copy link and share. Can we access the contents in Diksha platform without scanning QR code? Not sure. Yes. No. Sometimes. The correct answer is yes. Submit to continue.